Hey, what's going on in here?
Oh, Principal Fitzgerald, nothing, sir.
Let me see what's in here.
Sir, you can't take this bag without
I
a
can
warrant.
take anything
no,
I want.
No, sir. Oh, God.
What is this?
I don't know, sir. That's not mine.
Is this marijuana?
No, sir. I don't know. That's not mine.
Are you kidding me?
It's not mine, sir. Sir.
Is this a list of intent to sell?
No, sir. You can't search through this bag.
Are these names of people you are selling drugs to?
No.
Are you sure?
No, I swear.
Why are the names and then cash numbers next to it?
I don't know, sir. That's not mine.
Really? Why do you have money in your bag too?
I need money for lunch.
Money for lunch?
Yes, sir.
This much money for lunch?
Sir, I need money. I'm a hungry person.
So you have $400?
Yes.
Okay. All right. No. What about this?
But, sir, I need to write with the
No, you don't.
school.
No, you don't. You don't need to write. You don't need to write.
Sir, you cannot take this
I
without,
can take
without
it.
a warrant. This is all mine.
You're coming with me.
No.
We're going to the office.
All rise for the Honorable Judge Lucas Walton.
Thank you. You may sit. Today we are hearing the case of TLO versus New Jersey. Let's start with opening statements from both sides. The defendant may begin. First off, I'd just like to start by saying that the evidence that the opposition is using against me was taken illegally because the Fourth Amendment clearly states that searches and seizures without a warrant are illegal, and therefore the opposition's entire argument is not credible because my purse should not have been taken from me as I was not doing anything, and my Principal Fitzgerald, could not prove anything without him illegally taking my purse. Thank you. Thank you. We will now hear the opening statement from the prosecution.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'd like to start off my opening statement by declaring that I felt I did have the reasonable cause to check this young woman's bag based upon the actions I had witnessed when I walked into the bathroom. I declared them to be threatening and dangerous to the safety of the school and everyone within it, and as my job as the principal is to preserve and protect the safety of the students and faculty and all within the school. Thank you.
You may now present the evidence and your main arguments.
I'd like to bring out my first piece of evidence, Exhibit A, the purse I had confiscated that day in school and the contents within it. First thing was marijuana, the actual substance itself. Next was the money that had been associated with the list of intent to sell. And the
No, you know what? You can't use that. You took this without a warrant. This is illegal. You cannot use that in this case. Order in the court. Judge Lucas Walton does not take this in his courtroom.
Thank you, Your Honor. I think my point here has been made.
Your Honor, all I have to say is that the contents that were in that bag were seized illegally without a proper warrant, and therefore this bag cannot even be used as evidence in this case. And therefore, the prosecution has nothing against me, so I should be free. Ladies and gentlemen, the Supreme Court of the United States have come to an agreement on a 6-3 decision in favor of the prosecution in the state of New Jersey, stating that the prosecution did have reasonable cause to search the defendant's purse, and had they not had probable cause, it would have been a violation of the Fourth Amendment and therefore been illegal. Thank you.
I, Judge Brennan, do declare that the decision set by the Supreme Court in the case of TLO versus New Jersey broadens the power of school officials and does not set clear standards on what is considered reasonable cause and suspicion when it comes to searches and seizures.